Are you ready to go to school? Let's go.
Okay. When you caught him being the awesome boyfriend, oh well. When you realize your opponent is much stronger than you, I'm out of here. Big guy. Uh-oh, this wasn't the manual for dealing with pups.
Puppy attack!
Which one is more tired, me or the pup? When he's right, but you still want to win the argument.
Harry, here is fine, and that's the day that you want to.
Doggo listens to too many motivational speakers. Uh-oh, that horse is way bigger than you, puppy. Behind every great fashion fail is a mama with endless patience. You're facing a mountain of an opponent while you're just a tiny hill. Puffy logic. If it squeaks, it's mine. If it doesn't, it's also mine.
Kelly, you look crazy.
Actual footage of how my short-tempered manager reviews my report.
Baby, you're not on the streets no more, okay? We got it. Okay.
New model just dropped. The Positive Room. Place your order now. My friend, after his third coffee, be like, "Oh no. Oh. A ball bath or a water park? Asking for a friend.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
They were about to fight, but Mama showed up.
It's pretty nice. You look handsome. Ow.
Open sesame, or in this case, open the food box, please. How does your pup welcome you home? We? The chewing ritual is the way. How my pup reminds me that he's just built differently.
sitting up nice and tall on your ears.
Trying to do yoga at home, like, I guess it's doga now.
Run your faces all around your spine and get to turning.
Meet our helper pup on the job. 10% moving boxes, 90% moving your hearts.
Oh no, you're biting my nose.
Puppy and Pink. Why have one bowl when you can sample from all? Toe biting level, expert. Balance level, rookie. Dreaming of all the treats he didn't get today. Sassy.
Minnie is babysitting Kiwi.
Big dog's patience level, infinite. Small dog's energy level, over 9,000.
Babysit Kiwi. What's your rate?
Hourly rate.
Kobe. What? No.
Who said anything about the biggest Black Friday sale? I'm ready. Have you tuned in for Home Alone Dog Edition?
Good girl. Go up the side. Go.
Bro, look at me. Is it too much to ask for a little attention? I bet he thinks the mailman is his daily dose of happiness.
That's what Santa brought you. Do you like it?
Guys, midnight snack champions don't sleep. They fight for their food. In this relationship, who wears the leash? Easy to tell.
Hi, baby. Thank you. Oh, yes. Oh, Jake and Lainey and Corey are gonna love that. Yes. Yes.
White. Okay.
I bet this chip back is a portal to another dimension. Ask Puppy.
If it made you laugh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this funny video with your friends. Spread the laughter.